Hi students, today we will see operations on like surds. Mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division can be done on like surds. That day we had seen what is meant by surd and what is meant by like surd also. Here in this year we are considering the surds of order 2 only. Okay. Now we will see the examples based on like surds. First example they given in your book, that is simplify 7 root 3 plus 29 root 3. Is this the like surd? Yes. Okay. Why? Because here these two numbers are equal, means in radical sign equal numbers are there and both order is 2. So while solving, what we have to do here, look here, solution they given 7 root 3 plus 29 root 3 or 7 in radical sign 3 plus 29 in radical sign 3. Here 3 is the radical. Now whatever numbers are related with this irrational number root 3, these are 7 plus 29. So we have to add just these two numbers. And root 3 is common in between them. So 7 plus 29 is equal to 36 root 3. In place of this 7, 29 root 3, we'll take another number and we will see the example. Okay. I will take here another number and we'll solve that example of addition. Okay. I will write here 1 minute. Let me clear this. I will write here 12 root 5 plus 15 root 5. Now how to solve? Look here. What we have to do? Here root 5 is common in between that. So 12 plus 15. And here root 5. What is their addition? 5 plus 2. Okay, 27, that you know. So your question's answer is 27 root 5. Same way they given here second example, simplify 7 root 3 minus 29 root 3. Now look here, 7 minus 29 means we have to subtract the smaller number from the bigger number and write down the bigger number sign. So answer came negative 22 root 3. In that place again I will take another example. We'll see it. Okay. So I will write here 9 root 7 minus 8 root 7. How to solve? 9 minus 8 root 7. You can write it 1 root 7. Otherwise, if someone they will write root 7, also it is correct. Understand this? Now, I will take one more example. 8 root 3 minus 15 root 3 is equal to, now directly I will write the answer. Here greater number sign will come negative. 15 minus 8, 7. Okay. Do you understand this? Now, next example they given in your book, that is example number 3, simplify. Here they given both the addition as well as subtraction. So look here, 13 plus 1 upon 2. Now 13 plus 1 upon 2 minus 5. Here 1 upon 2. This is a fraction. So we have to, while adding and subtracting, we have to make equal denominator of another numbers also. So what we did here, we made the denominator as 2. Then here 2, 13 2s are 26 and negative 5 2s are negative 10. Then afterwards, after subtracting, you got the answer, that is Here 26 plus 127 minus means is equal to 17 upon 2 root 8. Now look, if you will see this 8, we can factorize. In one factor is 4 and another is 2. 4 is perfect square. So here 17 upon 2. This 4 square root is 2. So it will come from square root sign and here root 2. 2 will cancel with each other. So you will get the answer 17 root 2. Okay. Do you understand this? Now next example is 8 root 5. Okay. And another example is 8 root 5 plus root 20 minus 1 to 5. Then what will come here? We will see there. Here if you will see the example, then the number root 20 and root 125. We can factorize. Here these are not the like sets. So first of all we have to convert this example into like set. So we will find the factors of root 20 and root 125. So root 20's factors 4 5s are and here 25. So you got here also. Then the first examples, how do we solve? Same way you have to solve this example. Here 8 plus 2 minus 5, your answer is 5 root 5. Okay. Now next example they given, that is multiply the surds. Okay. While doing the multiplication of surds, what we have to do? Bring that surds in which form? You have to take the surds in square root sign only, in radical sign only. Then multiply this, and if you can factorize these surds in one number is perfect square and another number is any other number, then factorize it and find the answer. Look here in your book they given the example, that is root 7 into root 42. If you will multiply this, what will you get? We will see here. 7 2s are 14. Like this also you can multiply it. 1 carries 7 4s are 28 plus 1. Otherwise again you have to factorize this. Means how? Here what will come here? Look, 49 multiplied by 6. This. Then again you will get the same answer, that is loop. This 7 will come out from this root sign. Same answer they given here. Look what they did here. 7 42 they factorize into 7 into 6. Then 7 multiplied by 7 means again 49. Square root of 49 is 7. So 7 root 6. Do you understand this? Now we will go to the next example, that is the division example. Or you can see here they given 125 divided by root 5. First of all you can convert it or you can factorize it. Otherwise directly first write down the division and then take out from bracket like this. Or if someone they will write like this, 125 they will factorize as 25 into 5. What will come then? Answer 5 root 5. Okay. Now I will write here 5 root 5 upon this root 5. Root 5 will cancel with each other. Then you will get the same answer 5. Like this also you can solve the example. Okay. One more example they given here. That is, here keep in mind 5 is a rational number. One more example they given, that is root 50 into root 18. You can solve this example by two methods. First of all, you can find the factors of 50, that is 25 into 2, factors of 18, 9 into 2, 5 root 2, 3 root 2. Here multiplication is there, so root 2 is root 2 into root 2. Okay, here what to do, look here. In addition we had taken one time only this root, but here we will take two times only. Means here what you have to do, 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by root 2 multiplied by root 2. Then 5 3s are 15. Root 2 into root 2 means root 4. Then is equal to 15 into 2, that is equal to 30. Okay, this is your answer. Same answer is here. Okay, now like this way you have to solve the questions depend on operation on cells. In your book practice set 2.3 they given the examples. By using the method you can solve. Now we'll see the next point, that is rationalize the denominator. Okay, now they given here rationalization of surd. Surd's rationalization denominators. Next point is there. So we will see first how to rationalize the surd. Look here, if the product of two surd is a rational number, we had seen upside one example. In that the product of two numbers, it was a rational number. Each surd is called a rationalizing factor of the other surd. What is mean by this? We'll see. If surd root 2 is multiplied by root 2, what will you get? Root 2 into root 2 means just 2. In above example we had seen root 4. What is the square root of 4? It is 2. Here 2 is a rational number. Therefore root 2 is the rationalizing factor of root 2. Means by which factor we will get the rational number. That factor is known as the rationalizing factor of that particular number. Okay. Now we'll see the example given in your book. Let us multiply root 2 into root 8. If you will multiply root 2 into root 8, you will get root 16, and root 16 is a perfect square, and the answer of root 16 is 4. So 4 is a rational number. Now look, therefore root 2 is the rationalizing factor of root 8, because when you multiplied root 8 by root 2, you got the rational number, that is 4. So similarly 8 root 2 is also rationalizing factor of root 2. Why? Look, because root 2 into 8 root 2. Root 2 into root 2 means 2. 8 2s are again 16. So here 8 root 2 is also the rationalizing factor. Now again they given here root 6, root 16, root 50 are the rationalizing factors of root 2. You can verify that by same method used in example number 2. Now remember this, rationalizing factor of a given surd is not unique. If a surd is rationalizing factor of a given surd, then a surd obtained by multiplying it with any non-zero rational number is also a rationalizing factor of the given surd. For that they given the examples that we will see, and so we will understand better. Find the rationalizing factor of root 27. Now you know that root 27, is this the perfect square? Root 27, it is not the perfect square, but we can rationalize it, or we can factorize it into the factors 9 and 3. Okay, then here they had written root 9 into 3 means 3 root 3. If you will see 3 root 3, we will multiply it by root 3. Then which answer will you get? 9. 9 is a rational number. Therefore here root 3 is the rationalizing factor of root 27. Note that root 27 is equal to 3 root 3 means 3 root 3 into 3 root 3 means 9 3s are 27. Okay. Hence 3 root 3 is also a rationalizing factor of root 27. In the same way, 4 root 3, 7 root 3 are also the rationalizing factors of root 27. How? Look, if 4 root 3 into 4 root 3, what is your answer? 4 fours are 16 multiplied by here 3 will come 4 threes are 14. Is this the rational number? Yes. Okay. So now we'll see the next example, that is rationalize the denominator of 1 upon root 2. While rationalizing the denominator, which number is in the place of denominator? We have to multiply and divide by that same number to the numerator and denominator. Look here. You can see here 1 upon root 5. We have to rationalize the denominator. So here denominator is root 5. So we have to multiply and divide it by root 5. Now root 5 upon 5. So here 5 is a which type of number? Rational number. So we rationalize the denominator. Another example they given, that is 3 upon 2 root 7. Now here which number is in the sign of radical or radical sign or the square root sign? By that only number we have to rationalize. Here 2 is a rational number and root 7 this number is a irrational number. So we have to multiply and divide it by root 7 upon root 7. Now look here, if you will multiply then 3 root 7 and 2 root 7 into root 7 means 7. So 3 root 7. Okay, we will see another examples. So we'll write here in place of, here I will take 2 upon root 3 and we have to rationalize the denominator. Now here denominator is root 3, so we have to multiply and divide it by 3. So here look, 2 root 3 upon 3, or you can write it as 2 upon 3 3. Okay, so we had rationalized the denominator. Now another example, like example number 5, we'll see here. Now we'll take the values 5 upon 6 root 3. We have to rationalize this. So I will multiply it by root 3 upon root 3. So here my answer is 5 root 3 upon 6 into 3 root 3 means 3. So answer is 5 root 3 upon 18. Okay, do you understand this? Most simple way I taught you this. Now remember this, we can make use of rationalizing factor to rationalize the denominator. It is easy to use the numbers with rational denominator. That is why we rationalize it. Okay, now by using these explanation you have to solve practice say 2.3. Okay, thank you, bye.